How to use auto clicker on iPhone. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. In here, scroll down and then move into accessibility. Now head over to switch control. Tap on switches. Click on add new switch and then click on screen. Tap on full screen. Now you have to choose select item. Now go back to your previous page and then head over to recipes. Tap on create new recipe. You have to enter one name for your recipe and then click on assign a switch. Tap on full screen. In here you have to click on custom gesture. Now you simply have to tap or swipe to create a custom gesture. Once you have created, click on save at the top right corner. Go back to your previous page and then click on launch recipe at the bottom. Choose the recipe that you have just made. Now in the end, you have to make sure that the feature of switch control is enabled. Once it has been enabled, your auto clicker is ready to use. All you want to do is click on the power off button 3 times and then the auto clicker feature will be enabled successfully and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can use auto clicker on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.